Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for modular kitchen business. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my modular kitchen business in Facebook lead ads, then I want to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. And for that, I will create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. For creating this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how I can automate the process of managing my Facebook leads and keep record of them for my modular kitchen business. And I'm going to see how this can help me in growing my business. So this is my Facebook page and it is named as Kitchen Cuddles. And to promote my business, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. So here, whenever I will get a new Facebook lead, then I'm going to add the details of all the Facebook leads that I'm getting for my modular kitchen business from Facebook lead ads to my Google Sheets automatically. So here I have to connect Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet in such a way that whenever I'm getting a new Facebook lead for my modular kitchen business, then automatically I will add those details in my Google Sheet. And for creating this connection, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take me to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here I want to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button. And this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheet for modular kitchen business. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select home here and I will click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first. And here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to search for that. And here I'm going to select Facebook lead ads. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I will connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. So I'll click here. And here in my browser, I have already logged in my Facebook account. So it has detected that. So I'm just going to click on continue to give access to my account. And here my connection is successful. Now I have these two details. First is of page and second one is of lead gen form. So I have to fill these details. And for that, I will go to my Facebook page first. And this is my Facebook page for my modular kitchen business. And it is named as Kitchen Cuddles. And for the lead generation form, I'm going to open this menu. And I will go to Meta Business Suite. In this, I will go to All Tools. And I'm going to find Instant Forms. So I'm going to open this. And in this, we can see that I only have one lead generation form, which is named as Contact Form. So I'm going to open this. And this is my form. And we have these details here, email, full name, and the phone number. And this is how my form look like. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And first I have to select my page. So for selecting the page, what you need to do is you need to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the pages that are connected with your Facebook account. And I'm going to use this Kitchen Cuddles page. So I'm going to select this. And for the lead generation form, I will do the same. I'm going to open this tab. And in this, you will find all the lead generation forms that are connected with your Facebook page. So here I'm going to use this contact form. So I'm going to select this. And here we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button, and now it is waiting for webhook response. Now how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that I have to create a sample submission and I have to make sure that my lead generation form is live. So for creating the sample submission, I'm going to use Metaphor Developer. So I will go to Metaphor Developer, and in this I will go to More, and I'm going to open Tools here. And in Tools, I'm going to find this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So I'm going to open this. So we are going to use this testing tool. So here we have these two details, page and the form. Now what I need to do is I need to select my page and the form. So for that I will open this tab, and my page name is Kitchen Cuddles. So I'm going to select this. And my form is already selected here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sample submission and I will create a new lead. So for that, I'll click here on Preview Form button, and this is my form. So I have these details, email, full name and the phone number. So I have to fill these details, and I'm going to fill dummy details here. So my email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com. Now I have to give a full name. So my full name will be testuser, and I have to give a random phone number. So for that, I'll click here, and this will be my random phone number. I'm going to click on Next. I will click on Submit. So my form is submitted and I have created this new lead. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received this new response. So the email is testuser@pabblytudes.com, and the full name is testuser, and the phone number is this. So these are the same details that I have just created as a new lead in Facebook Lead Ads. So we got these details. Now what I need to do is I need to use these lead details and automatically want to add these details in my Google Sheet so that I can manage my leads and I can keep a record of all my Facebook leads that I'm getting to grow my business and to help in growing my modular kitchen business. So for that, I have to set up my Actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application will be Google Sheets. So I'm going to select Google Sheets here. Now I have to give an action event. So for that, I'm going to open this tab, and add new row will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I will connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection, and I will sign in with Google. And now I will click on Allow to give access to my account, and my connection here is successful. Now to add the lead details in my Google Sheet, I have to fill all these details, and first I have to select my spreadsheet. So for my spreadsheet, let's go to Google Sheet, and this is my Google Sheet, and we are using this spreadsheet which is named as Facebook Leads, and we are using Sheet 1 here. And in the spreadsheet, we have these three columns: full name, email and the phone number. So I want to add my lead details automatically in these columns. So for that, I have to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And to select my spreadsheet, I have to open this tab, and in this tab you will find all the spreadsheets that are connected with your Google Sheet account, and we are using this Facebook Leads spreadsheet. So I'm going to select this. We are using Sheet 1 here, and these are my columns: full name, email and the phone number. So here I have to add the details of my Facebook lead, and I'm going to use the details that I got as a response in Facebook Lead Ads, and I'm going to map those details. And here I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is the technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Facebook Lead Ads, and I have to map my full name. So this is the full name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I will map my email address. So I'll click here. I'm going to open this response of Facebook Lead Ads, and this is my email address. So I'm going to map this. Now I will map my phone number. So here I have mapped all my details. Now I want to add these details automatically in my Google Sheet. So for that, I will click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have this response. So this is a positive response, and we have received this response so that I have added these details automatically in my Google Sheet. Now to check this, let's go to Google Sheet. And here we can see that I have just created this new row, and in this row I have the details of the new lead that I have just created for my modular kitchen business in Facebook Lead Ads. So the full name is testuser, email is testuser@pabblytudes.com, and we have this random phone number. Now to check this in real time, I will go to Metaphor Developer again. I'm going to close this. I will delete this lead, and I'm going to preview this form again. Now I'm going to fill these lead details one more time, and again, I'm going to give dummy details. So my email will be newyuser@pabblytudes.com and I will give the full name. So full name will be new user and I will give a random phone number. Now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit and my form is submitted and I have created this new lead again. Now I will go back to my Google Sheet and here we can see I have added this new row automatically in my Google Sheet with the details of the new Facebook lead that I just received from Facebook lead ads. So the full name is new user, email is newuser@pabblytudes.com and we have this random phone number. So we are adding the details of the new Facebook lead that I'm getting for my modular kitchen business automatically in my Google Sheet. And now I can use all these lead details to grow my business and to connect with my Facebook leads. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet in such a way that whenever I'm getting a new Facebook lead for my modular kitchen business, then I'm capturing those lead details and I'm adding those lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my actions tab and my action application here was Google Sheets and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.